So before we get started, Joe asked me about this dollar silver round that I got that I'm always playing with in my videos. So this is the back of it. I really don't know much more about it. And there you go. You can look it up. Alright, so we had a pretty good week, I'd say, at the coin shops. I actually did find some constitutional below 20 times face. I found this roll of quarters for 18 times face. I'd say it's about time with the prices not as low as they've been. I also got a couple of walkers in the same little bunch. A couple of slicks. So we got a 34 and a 39. Nothing really spectacular in here, but for 18 times face, I say it's a start with these low silver prices. I did find some even cheaper silver this week. This was off a bid board that I guess I won a couple weeks ago when I went into the shop. They said, hey, by the way, you won. I got this roll of dimes for 70 bucks. No one else bid on it. They said it was supposed to be barber dimes, but when I actually got the roll out, they were mixed. I got some Mercuries, a couple of Roosevelts in there, but still for 70 bucks, I'll take it. I know one last time I got that was what, 14 times face. Also, something else that I had won and forgot about and they reminded me was this Swiss 20 francs. I guess I missed a week and they found it in their boxes. It's a 1935 LB. It's got 1.867 ounces of gold. I paid $3.69 for it. Something else that I forgot I'd won. I bid the very first day the board was up. Didn't make it back before the board closed, so they put it in the box of stuff that people need to come and pick up. So, I think the melt's at $3.45 right now. So I was happy with it. Next thing we got, more silver below melt. It's one of these A-Mark Liberties. This one's a 1984. I hear a lot of guys are collecting these right now, so I saw it at the store. It's got the Liberty Bell on the back. Asked how much it was. They said they wanted $20 for it, and it is 1 ounce of silver. I said, how many do you have? And they said just this one. So I picked it up. I would have bought more if they had them, but that's all they had. Okay, if you guys like the big silver, we found one of these Australian kilo. I guess technically it's a silver coin. It is Australian $30. I do like this one. It's like the proof, but also has those really cool fields in there. This is kind of gorgeous. So this one we did pay $4 over spot for. I don't remember the exact price off the top of my head, but I'd say it's a pretty good deal. It is gorgeous. Look at Liz on the back. Alright, next we got some dollars. Okay, on the bid board we found a 1971 S Silver Ike. He was 11 bucks, nothing really too exciting there. Peace dollars. So don't know why I'm not really into dollars, but these were 28 bucks, and for 28 bucks I'm usually thinking about getting calls. We got 22. Is that 1924? Another 22. Yeah, I think they're in pretty good shape for the price that we paid for them. I do love the back of these. Just kind of, to me, they're just not exciting. They're all kind of, they got the different dates, but they all kind of look the same. And we got some slabs. You got this 1946 Booker T. Washington in this rattler holder. Something sexy about that. I'm not sure what it is, but I like them. This one was $22. I do love the commemoratives and their bid board win. All right. Now another Eisenhower. This one is the 1976 S Silver Proof PR69 Cameo. This one, this case is a little scruffed up, but I figured for the 15 bucks on the bid board, no one wanted to pay more than that, I would take it home with me. Next, we got another bid board win, which was not something I'd normally get, but I think Ben Franklin is historical gangster. I think him and Snoop Dogg get along pretty well. This is the 2006 Ben Franklin Scientist $1 commemorative. On the front, you got him playing with his kite. I'm guessing there's a key in there somewhere. And on the back, you got this snake cut into pieces, join or die, representing the colonies there. If you can see, there's only 8 pieces, but there should be 13, but when Ben designed this little cartoon, he put New England all as one, so the head's New England. And so, next coin shop, I got this off the bid board at 1, and I was waiting for the bid board at the next. I saw this in the case. So this is the 2006 P. Benjamin Franklin Founding Father Proof Cameo, or Ultra Cameo. This one, Ben's a little older. On the back, you got the Fujio cent. I saw this coin, and I said, hey, you know what? I just got the other one. I might as well get the set. They made 2. So I got the young Ben Scientist and the old Ben Founding Fathers, but didn't think to check to see which one I had gotten. I didn't realize I had gotten the mint state and not the proof. So I got a set, but they don't match. That's all right. All right, so if you stuck around, get a little bonus for you history buffs out there. I got this short snorter. Oh, don't look at the case. That's not what I paid for it. It was $25. So if you guys know anything about these were back in World War II. The soldiers would write their names on the notes, kind of share them around like yearbooks. This one I liked because it actually had where they were at. So this is Algiers, February 4th, 1943. If you look down at the bottom, it's Naples, November, it's like 14th, 43. So this one traveled around a bit. A little bit of history for you. All right, hope you guys enjoyed. Enjoy your weekend.